Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So today I'm coming back with another Dollar Tree table setting decoration, and I'm going to use the colors black and yellow. So let's get started. So very first thing we have from the Dollar Tree are the yellow plastic tablecloths. So as you can see, you have the plastic tablecloth, and to jazz it up a bit, I have the black what is this, table runner. Yep, so this is right in the like linen area of the Dollar Tree. So there's like tablecloths, there might be like placemats and things of that sort. So I have that there. And actually what I probably would have done is actually added another, since these are kind of short, I probably should have added another tablecloth underneath it, maybe two, so that way it could have made it longer. So add another one underneath to make it longer here, and then also on the other side of the table. But it still looks kind of cute with the table runners. And then we have the black square plates, and then the yellow plates in the center. Right there, we have the black paper cup with the yellow napkin in the middle. What else do we have? We have the, first, like the centerpieces, we have the glass mirrors with the little jars and then a candle in the middle. And then we have another cylinder vase with the gold bling with a candle in the middle. And then this centerpiece is another glass mirror. And then I added some yellow paper shred and put one of the little tea light candles in the center. And then that's just another cylinder jar with bling and a candle, and so on and so on. What else do we have here? So adding the table runners kind of take away from the tablecloth actually being a plastic tablecloth. If you want to, you know, make it a little bit more expensive, you can go ahead and purchase a regular yellow tablecloth, like fabric material. But if you want to kind of keep your costs down, and depending on how many tables you are using, and you want to go with the plastic tablecloth, I think that adding these black table runners will actually, you know, take away from that. But again, I would actually make them a little bit longer by using maybe 2 or 3 and kind of overlapping them a little bit. All right, and then for the backdrop, like I always like to have backdrops behind my table setting somewhere, even if you want to use them for like photo props or just add to your room decor. We made this very easy using the same paper napkins from the Dollar Tree. So we have them in two different sizes. So we have the yellow ones being bigger and then the black one smaller. And all we did was open the napkin up and then drape it over some string. And I think I would actually maybe do like a few rows of this. So you can actually, you know, cover your wall by doing this and making like a very huge backdrop, just using paper napkins. So this was very cheap and easy to make. So I think it all came together pretty well. And I mean, you can do this with, you know, any color scheme that, you know, you have in mind. So I hope you guys enjoyed another Dollar Tree DIY table setting. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and to see many more table settings that I come up with using Dollar Tree items. And I hope you guys enjoy your day. Take care.